Hello, dear learners. I welcome you all to the new session of Zero to Hero. In this session of Zero to Hero, we are going to focus on daily use sentences. The sentences which we use in our daily lives, I will be telling you their English translations. So, it will help you a lot to build your communication skills and to learn something which is quite usual but new. First sentence is kapde sukha do. This is very common sentence we use speak at home. Everybody speaks at home this sentence. So how will you speak it now? Put the clothes to dry. और if we modify it, अगर हमें ऐसे कहना हो कपड़े बाहर सुखा दो, then what you will say? Put the clothes to dry outside. So these are the sentences which we speak in our daily lives. So now whenever you say this, you have to speak in English. This is the mantra of learning English. You have to bring it in your daily life. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस आलू छील दो. इट्स वेरी कॉमन सेंटेंस, बहुत ही कॉमन है हमारी डेली लाइफ में. पील ऑफ द पोटैटोज. इफ somebody is saying you आलू छील दो, then what you will say? I have peeled off the potatoes. और इफ यू आर टेलिंग समवन कि आलू छील दो, तो आप सिंपल कहेंगे पील ऑफ द पोटैटोज. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, दीवार पर सहारा मत लो. We often observe many people they stand with the support of the wall. They can't stand straight, they can't stand properly. So you can just tell them, do not lean against the wall. आप उसे ये कह सकते हैं, do not lean against the wall. Next sentence, मेरे कंधे पर अपना सिर मत रखो. This is also very common sentence. Daily we speak this line, but we speak in Hindi because we don't know the translation of it. Do not lean your head on my shoulder. So what will be the English of this? Do not lean your head on my shoulder. धीमे बोलो. धीमे बोलो means speak softly or else speak quietly. Like very soft. Your way of speaking should be very soft. खाना लगा दो. This is also one of the common sentences which we use in our daily lives. That is खाना लगा दो. So that is serve the food. Okay. Next sentence, वो दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा. वो दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा. What will be the translation of this? He tiptoed into the room. Tiptoed का मतलब होता है दबे पांव, without making any sound, any noise. समय की नज़ाकत को समझो. This is very important, but you cannot make English if you are not using it in the daily lives. You have to learn and practice. Understand the delicacy of time. Nazakat. What do we call this word nazakat in English? Delicacy. So understand the delicacy of time. That is very important. इशारा मत करो. So what we will say this now? आपने हिंदी में नहीं बोलना है. Now you will be speaking it in English. Do not gesture. I cannot understand your gesture style. जूते पहन लो. What will be the English of this now? This will be put on the shoes. This will be put on the shoes. That's enough. Thank you very much to watch this video. Please like and subscribe the channel for latest updates.